If you've ever thought about going solar, well, now might be the time to do so. According to experts, residential electricity prices are expected to spike at least 30% by 2015 due to strict new EPA regulations, which will shut down more than 300 coal-fueled power plants, cutting the nation's production of coal-generated power by roughly 10%. The new EPA guidelines are part of the Mercury and Air Toxic Standards aimed at significantly reducing mercury and other hazardous substance emissions from fossil fuel power plants. And while the new EPA regulations may be good news for the environment, the reduced production means an increase in demand, which is bad news for the consumers' wallets. Analysts predict the average household's electricity bills will jump more than $300 a year by 2015. To meet the 2015 EPA guidelines, power companies have already started shutting down coal-fueled plants. But the news isn't all bad for consumers. Thanks to the impending rate increases and lucrative government incentives allowing customers to lock in current electricity rates, well, there's never been a better time to go solar.
One of the benefits of going solar is the fact that, first of all, we're going to save you a little bit of money. But more importantly, we're going to actually lock in what you're paying for your electricity. So for the next 20 years, you're going to know exactly what your bill is going to be. You're not going to get that from your electricity company. They're not going to tell you what your bill is going to be 5 years, 10 years from now.
Homeowners wishing to lock in their current electricity rates are urged to call the Solar Center of Woodland Hills now, before rates rise any further.